Welcome to Urban Foundations, where we embark on an enlightening journey from the era of nomadic tribes to contemporary metropolises. This introduction delves into how the earliest human settlements have influenced today's urban planning, tracing a path from the nomadic era to the bustling cities of the present. Our journey begins with nomadic communities whose transition to settled life, spurred by the agricultural revolution, radically transformed human existence. This shift led to the domestication of plants and animals and the formation of the first stable settlements. These foundational communities laid the groundwork for civilization's evolution, leading to job specialization and the initial forms of urban planning. We then advanced to the first civilizations in key areas such as Sumer, Egypt, the Indus Valley, and the Shang dynasty in China. These ancient cultures showcased advanced engineering and urban planning skills, reflected in their fortified cities and sophisticated drainage systems. The historical significance of these early settlements is apparent in modern urban planning. They have influenced contemporary concepts such as urban segregation, resource management, and disaster response. The enduring lessons from these ancient urban strategies underscore the importance of history in shaping our future urban landscapes. For instance, Sumerian cities like Uruk were known for their grid-like layouts and orthogonal streets, which facilitated internal organization and mobility, precursors to the grid planning models seen in many of today's cities. The ziggurats, monumental tiered structures, served dual roles as religious and administrative centers, a multifunctionality mirrored in today's buildings that combine cultural, religious, and administrative functions. Moreover, Sumerians developed sophisticated irrigation systems crucial for their agriculture and survival, paralleling today's focus on efficient water management and sustainable infrastructure. Egyptian cities demonstrated deliberate planning, aligned along the River Nile. Their monumental constructions like the pyramids highlight the significance of grand urban design, a notion that persists in today's iconic architecture. Cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro are noted for their advanced sewage systems and public health understanding, early reflections of concepts crucial to modern urban planning. The stratification seen in the size and quality of their dwellings mirrors today's urban segregation, where economic disparities are starkly visible in the urban landscape. In the Shang dynasty, cities like Anyang were fortified with massive walls for protection, an early form of the defensive design that has evolved into today's emphasis on security and urban resilience. The presence of palaces and public spaces highlighted the importance of power centers and communal areas, principles still vital in the design of inclusive and multifunctional public spaces. These ancient urbanization patterns remain relevant. The principles of zoning, orderly planning, sustainable resource management, and public health infrastructure are evident in modern cities like Santiago de Chile and other Latin American metropolises. Today, as in the past, we face challenges in natural resource management and disaster response, critical for the sustainable development of our cities. Understanding our urban past is not merely historical interest, it is foundational for building our modern cities. By grasping the roots of urban planning, we can design a more resilient and humane future for our metropolises. With these insights, we are well prepared to engage in a deeper discussion on the roots and current state of city planning.